Hey friend, come draw with Miss Val. Today I wanted to draw a dog. Maybe we can draw a couple different dogs together. Let's draw half circle at the top of the head. We'll stop it right there. We're going to draw two more half circles like this to make the rest of the face. 1, 2. Next, we're going to draw a nose on our dog. Let's draw a circle. Going to be our nose. We're going to need 2 eyes. 1, 2. Let's draw 2 circles inside. Finish our eye. It's the start of our dog. Let's give our dog some floppy ears with 2 ovals. Start on the side of the head. 1 oval. 2 ovals. There's our ears. Let's give the dog a bone. Sticking out of its mouth. Make 2 ovals on the ends. And we'll connect the line. There's our dog with a bone. Let's make the back of our dog. I'm going to start to draw an oval and come down. And we're going to curve. And that's their back leg. Let's give the dog a tail. A line up, make a little space, and come down on the other side. There's our tail. Let's make a line in between the 2 front paws. Here's the back foot, circle. There's the front foot and the other front foot. We'll draw another line down and 1 more line here for that front leg. And that's one of our dogs. Let's draw 1 more. I'm going to draw a straight line. Curved line down. It's a little messy. Let's get our eraser. It's okay to make mistakes. It's what erasers are for. To make 2 ears, some ovals, couple eyes, 1, 2, and circles inside. Give him kind of an oval nose. Yes. Probably sticking out top. To make the back of the dog, we'll come down and a little bit over and down some more. Give him a tail. Foot. That's his back leg. Maybe we'll draw some toes to come down in the front. Down and front paw. come down again. Make the other paw. There are your two front legs. Some toes. Same with the back. Chest, we'll make a little swoop. And we'll follow that line down. Make the tummy. Let's give our dog some spots. Any shape you want, make spots. I'm going to make a circle and an oval. Maybe part of an oval over here. I want to make shape out of one of those. Let's make a heart shape. Okay. We've got our spotty dog. Now let's color in both of our dogs. I'm going to make a dog with brown spots over here. It's brown spot. Another brown spot. Two brown heart around his eye. Last brown spot. Give him a black nose. Black for the middle eyes. I'll do the black over here too. Black on the eyes and nose. Maybe we'll do a lighter brown on the rest of our dog. Trace it. Finish tracing our lines. And we'll color it in. Don't forget the toes. I think I'm going to do the pink tongue really quick. I'm coloring the rest of my brown spotty dog. Just going to shape the same. You can use any of your art supplies that you have. If you have crayons or colored pencils, markers, or you can even just do the lines of your drawings if you'd like to do that. But I think my favorite part is coloring drawings. I like to see what it with color. All right. That's our fresh dog, all sorted. Let's color in our other dog. What color should this dog be? Maybe a really light brown dog. And trace our lines. Circles. Okay. Tail. Trace our ears. Head. And mouth. Shade our puppy in. And if you have a dog that might have different ears, you could draw 2 triangles for pointy ears to make it look more like your dog. Lots of different kinds of dogs. Use your shapes to make it look like yours. One. There we go. I'm going to trace this last little bit with a gray crayon. You can watch these videos on a phone or tablet, or you could ask your parents to download the YouTube app on your TV to watch there. I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe for more drawing fun.